Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your Tinkerbell look on Dress to Impress. You don't need VIP except for the wings, so let's get started with the video. For the hair, I really like this one. I used this bun in FFC 155 in no bangs, and I used this hair from the masculine section in the same color. Position the Y at 0.52, Z 0.44, and scale it to 0.35. Use this hair in only bangs. Position the Y at 0.52, Z 0.51, scale it to 0.42. Then for the outfit itself, we're just going to go to the dressing rooms and we're going to get the petal dress. If you don't have the petal dress, you can substitute it with other dresses, like this one maybe. I don't remember the code for it. I don't know if it's still available or not, but I'm just going to color this green 9CA258, and then I think this kind of yellow FFE1A10, and then this green again, but just a little bit lighter. Go to the springtime collection and just color everything that same green for the flowers and whatnot. And then for the shoes, I just used these from the Valentine's Day collection. If I can just find it, this one in this green 7FA259, and then that in white. Now obviously for the wings, if you don't have VIP, you're just going to select this one and you're going to color it this bright blue E4FEFF. That's even already so cute, but if you have VIP, you can use this one as well in that same color. For everything, I might make this part a little bit darker, and then the last part, that blue again, or in white. I'll do white here, and you can do animated or bigger wings. It's up to you. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.